Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another trading stream video. You feel me? If you're here with me this morning, you're here with me to get some shmoneys, right? Y'all already know that I like to trade gold. And I wanted to say something though before I really get started. Make sure that you're in the Telegram group because the Telegram group is going to get updates faster than me jumping on stream at 8 o'clock. Because I'm going to update the group outside of the stream, before the stream and after the stream. So make sure that you are in the Telegram group and you are getting the updates, okay? All right, so let's just jump right up into it real quick. Now, and the reason I said that is because this signal here was put out, right, at like 7:20, right? She was moving at like 7:19, and I was just like trying to get the signal out. Like she was moving, and I was trying to get the signal out fast enough. But I caught it at 2400 and gave you guys the signal and got 60 pips. But I mean, this thing flew down too, you know. So we got more pips today. Awesome trading day, man. Way to start the week though, for real. 174 pips from today's signal. I mean, it don't get no better than that, guys. Go check the Telegram group. The link is in the description below, right? Just click it. It's free. I don't charge nobody for it. You feel me? If anybody's saying I am charging them for it, they a lie. They scam you. All right. The only thing that I do charge for is my VIP group, and that's you have to go through my free group, and then I have a paying bot. That's what you got to go through. If somebody's saying send you pretending like they're me and telling you to send them Cash App or whatever, yo, that's not me. They're a scam. Okay. All right. So let's get into it. All right. And I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. Enjoyed your weekend like I enjoyed my weekend. I mean, I can't complain. The past weekend don't owe me nothing. You feel me? It don't owe me nothing. I mean, I had a ball. One of the best times that I've had in my hometown in a while. Like, I usually don't have a good time here. You feel me? But man, some new stuff happened that I haven't seen before. So yeah, I'm super happy about that. All right. But all right, so I'm trying to figure out why my screen is wanting to take all day. And just clean some stuff up if it's fine. But it seemed like every time I hit something, it freezes. So I'm having to wait now. Okay. All right. So you guys, let's go back to, I want to go to daily. Let's go to daily. Let's start at the daily, right? Because we always want to do like a nice little top-down analysis. And we do have a new monthly candle. So if you want to check the new monthly candle, you can. It's going to be bearish because look at where we stand in the market as far as price, right? We are at price 23.89. And as you can see, for the past couple of days, we've been bearish. So not really, you don't really necessarily have to go look at the monthly. You can basically just look at the daily and count back, the candles. And then based on where we are, just use your common sense. This is bearish, okay? All right. So We did have this wave here. What's going on with this? We had this wave here going up, and we got to a point where we stopped. I'm trying to get to where it's interrupted me. Hold on. I don't know if it's before the stream, everything was working fine. It's like as soon as I get on the stream, it starts acting up. All right, so I just want to see if it's this or it's something else. Hold on. Let me just close a few programs and see. Maybe that's what it is. Let me try that. Cause it's just crazy, right? It just keeps doing this. Like only when I hit the stream though. So if anybody got any suggestions on how to speed this bad boy up, because it's freezing a lot over here, you know, and it's important that I get this information out to you. All right. So we're going to talk about smart money concepts, and I'm glad that you guys this happened and that we're talking about it today. Now let me explain some things, right? And this is why smart money concepts is so powerful, right? Guys, check this. I was looking, my eyes, and you gotta see it for yourself. Over here, remember, go back a couple streams. Remember, I marked up on this candle, which is probably a 4 or 1 hour candle on a lower time frame. What happened? Okay, I don't know what's happening. I want to show y'all this because y'all gotta see it, but I don't know what's going on with the let me see, can I pull up another one? Because this one is taking like super long, even when I'm just moving around, and now it's just doing this extra stuff. Let me see if I can load it up again. All right, yeah, something's happening to it. I don't know what's going on. Cancel. All right, so check it. Remember I put this fib on here? I haven't taken this off since last week, or whenever I put it on there. Why? Because I had my eyes on the 78, 88% level. And I remember I put this box here, right? This red box here. I said, this box is where I want market to come to so I could sell, right? Look what market did. It came up in there, right? It fell. Like perfect snipe. You can't get no better than that, right? Perfect. So, and then pull back. And then we should be pulling down some more. So understand those institutional levels. If you look left and you mark up an institutional candle, there's a high chance that they're going to play off of that candle, and you're going to be able to get your sell or your buy. In this case, we were looking for sales. I'm gonna try to do this again. It's taking a little long, but it is what it is, because we're gonna get this information out regardless. All right, I'm not seeing the 4 hour. I wanna see if it's on the 1 hour. Let's see. Let me see. Oh, that's a week. Wait, I thought I hit a 1 hour. Y'all see how choppy this is? It's crazy. All right. Where is it? I'm trying to find that institutional candle for you so you can see where I marked it. Boom. I put an arrow on it. See that? I put an arrow on it. It's all from last week. This is me predicting the future. Saying in this white candle here, this is what you need to be having your eyes on. Let me see if I can highlight it. It's taking forever. But anyways. That one. That candle, this candle right here. This is your institutional candle. You need to fib these candles. These are the candles that I fib. Because I know in the future, if they come back to this candle, I'm going to sell. They came back later on, and I mean later on in the future. Look at all that happened before they got back up here. Right? And I know it looks a little messy right now. I haven't had time to really clean up the chart this weekend. I ain't even gonna lie, I've been out there partying. And that's why yesterday I had to take a whole day of sleep and recouping and just eating fruit all day. But anyways, so yeah, as you can see, look how they came back. So I'm gonna tell y'all that these smart money concepts work like every freaking time, right? So there was two things that I was trying to do last week, and we got caught on Friday NFP. But I'm gonna tell y'all, after NFP, you know, I found an area up here for sales. Because I believe we were trying to sell here and they shot up on us, right? I believe that's what happened last week. This was our, this is how we lost that trade last week. Because they shot this candle here, shot up on us, went up. You see that? That bearish, that bullish candle right here? All right. All right, let's see some. So this one popped up and got all the way up here. And then look, turned around. They were in that institutional candle. They had to come back to it. You see that? They got up here, got above these guys, X'd them out, and now let's reach. Reach where? To an institutional level? If y'all think that somebody's controlling this shit, y'all. Straight up. Stop thinking that it happened and they're running on stops, they're chasing this, they're chasing my stop loss. No, ain't nobody chasing your freaking stop loss. Right? Your stop loss is probably somewhere where they gonna hit it. You know what I mean? But listen, there's not everything in these markets are done, somebody's controlling them. They're done purposely. What makes these people come back to the institutional level? And then reverse. Why didn't they continue? Why didn't they take these tops? Right? Ask yourself. Why didn't this market continue going up? Why this market when it got up here, why didn't it continue making the next candle go up instead of bringing it back down? Okay? I thought maybe I have two ways of looking at institutional candles. For one way that I really like to look at an institutional candle is putting a line. As you can see, I had a line underneath there, like right here, right? If market is to come back into this area, then I'll be looking for a sell, right? It's okay. They might tap in this area. They might not always hit the institutional levels of 50% right away, but they'll just come and tap underneath this bullish candle, institutional candle, and then they'll reverse. See that? Boom. Tap back in it, come down, create that slippage, tap back in it, come back up, tap back in there, and fall. It's like this, man, guys. It's like this every time. Every time it's like this. And we just been eating the market up. Look at these. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. I mean, I be eating the market up. Look at them. We eating in this thing. I think last month maybe it was like maybe 2 losses, 2, 3 losses, maybe. But we've been doing pretty damn good, guys. You can't, and I'll tell you, I like to leave stuff on my screen because it reminds me of the mindset that I was in when I was looking at that area, right? If I deleted all this, then I won't know what was I thinking back then. But now that I have this stuff on here, I can glance at the chart, even if it does look a mess to you. But I do try to clean it up as much as I can. But I'll probably end up cleaning it up a lot more off stream. It's not letting me do too much on stream. So that's why I just want to talk to you guys about the smart money concept way. And the fact that if you're in the Telegram group, you would have got the trade this morning. Because the trade went out at like 7:20. I seen her falling. And I was just like, yo, we're done. We're ready to go. And yes, if you're asking, did I catch this position up here? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I am still floating. I am still floating in profits. Think I'm BSing. Get up there. I had two positions that I wanted to look at this at. Right here, I got in up in this area, right? And then I was like, if this one doesn't go, then this one will. Okay? So I wanted to wait. I was patient. I waited. When she got up there, guys, I was in it. This from here to down here, this P&L is already 238 pips. How many pips do you think I'm up right now on this one position? Let's go see. Because y'all think it's a game. And this is how you can be long-term in your trade. You can go to sleep at night knowing that your trade gonna take off. I'm not bullshitting. I'm almost 1,000 pips up. Y'all better stop playing with me. Don't play with me. Think about it. This 1,000 from this position. This little snipe right there and where we are right now is about 1,000 pips. And it's still going. And I'm gonna leave this trade open. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. No cap. I'm leaving it open. All right. Because I'm gauging it from here. I do have profits, stop loss and profit above here. But if she keeps moving and gets below all these guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna keep trailing it. You feel me? Just keep trailing it and taking some partials, taking money off the table. Like, this was a damn good call. I'm so glad that this happened on stream. And I, actually marked this up to show people the smart money concept way is way better trading than that, retail support resistance way. Is this way these areas, if you want to look at it as institutional support, levels and resisted levels. Yeah. But all that retail stuff talk, guys, I ain't said the retail talk in a while. I ain't said nothing about no support zone or resistance zone and none of that, man. I don't do that. That shit didn't work. That don't work, man. What does work is institutional trading, smart money concepts, right? So when y'all come here, this is all that I do. Look at all these P&Ls that I put, and I leave them on here because I really do like to go back over what I was thinking in the mindset at that time, right? All of these is getting money. And some of these I closed early, they could have ran, right? Some were closed early, but listen, I get my money, I don't be greedy. I get in and out. 60, 70 pips. I'm on stream. 60, 70 pips. Dude, I'm out. God. I'm sorry. My bad. Give me 1 second. Make sure it ain't important. Let's see. And yeah, this is what we've been doing. Look at this. These are all done on stream. All of these P&Ls are done on stream. What's up? I'm on stream right now. I'm on stream, is what I'm saying. Yes, like I'm talking on the stream. Yeah, I talk on the stream. Yeah. Yeah. Let me call you after I'm done. I'll be done shortly. All right. Later. My bad, guys. He wondering who I'm talking to. When I say I stream, they don't know that I talk on stream. You know, he old school guy. But anyways, my bad. But yeah, look at all these P&Ls. Look, easy little money. You don't need a lot, guys, to win, to make money, to grow your account. You just need a little bit. Some of them you can gauge to say, hey, it's going to be a runner. It's a track star, right? But then some of them you're going to be like, nah, this ain't no runner. You know what I'm saying? It was just a little quick shot put. You feel me? And that's it. They ain't running nowhere. But some of them are runners. Look, some of them are runners. But if you understand smart money concepts, y'all want it, man. I'm telling you, I do this every day. Every day. It's a game. I do this so much that it's boring. Y'all, you ever be there? If you ain't there yet, then keep trading. Keep trading. Because I do it so much that it's just boring. Right? That I gotta find ways to make it entertaining. You feel me? So yeah, enough of that. Okay. The signal was already put out, guys. All right, for the group. We already hit our profit area. We're still running this. It did hit 1,000. It hit. Yeah, it hit 1,000. There it is. Yeah, I see that. That's just easy money, man. So I'm holding this trade here. We got into another trade at 2,400. All right, the 2,400 trade was it happened so fast. The minute I put the signal in, I had to change the numbers because I had to get the price that we were sitting at right then and there. Because the minute I typed it, the price had moved 30 pips already. I was like, well, goddamn, let me hurry up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, all right, cool. I put the signal in at 2,400, and we did hit TP 1, 2, and 3 already before the stream. So, you know, We already in the trade and it's gone. It ran. There's nothing really we can do about it. I'm not going to place another one. But until I see something that I really want to see, let's just go and reiterate on certain things though. Like I tell you guys all the time that these gaps are meaningful, okay? That they do things off gaps. Here was the gap right here, how the market came down. Market came down, tapped into the gap, then moved, right? It even double tapped it and then moved. This is how they got up in here, closing this gap. They closed the gap, guys. Look, they closed the gap right here with this candle. Boop, boop. They closed it and fell. This was, if I would have seen it, I would have got in here at the close of the gap. Oh yeah, because there was no reason for us to continue going up. I would have known this is it. Nice little retest right here. All right, cool. Let's go. Right? Fall. But as she was falling, I was up around. I've been up since like 4 o'clock, just hanging out. But I was watching the markets too. So when I seen her continue get below this low, you know what I'm saying? I was like, with this candle, I said, oh man, she's finna drop. We finna drop some more. I like, all right, well, let me go ahead and put the signal in. But I couldn't get the signal in until it got to 2,400. It was at 2,400. So I was like, all right. But we already hit TP again. We already hit TP 1, 2, and 3. Right? But y'all do understand like how this gap was a target. It wasn't like a place of a point of interest of where market would turn around at. Right? These are target areas, meaning I'm targeting these areas. If I was to sell up here, this is what I'm targeting. This is what I'm targeting. These over here is what I'm targeting. This is what I'm targeting. All these little gaps on lower time frame is what I'm targeting. Did they get down here? Yes. They get below here? Yes. So this is X. That's X'd out. Feel me? So I like to put the little X down there. So that's X'd out. And then you gotta think all these lower time frame gaps, right? All of these were gone. All those are gone because this market came down and smacked all of those look left. Make sure when you're trading that you're always looking left. If you want to be able to tell the future, you gotta look left. You can't just look at what market is doing right now, right? You can't just be here and then not look over here. You know what I'm saying? You gotta see everything. The only way for me to catch this trade, to know to sell, was this. I had to look left. When the market was over here doing all this, I knew that, okay, they're going up. When they got above this, they're going up to an institutional level. That was an easy call, guys. Easy call, right? I knew then they were going, okay, well, we must be going to an institutional level. We're not selling off of the institutional candle. We're going to the institutional level inside of the candle. That's the difference. And that's how we caught this 78, 88% position right here. Remember, if you don't know, 78 and 88% of the Fibonacci levels is the institutional levels. Prime example sits right here. All right? So, here we are still moving, guys. I mean, because I'm already in the trade, I'm in the trade twice. I got in here, I'm holding this, and then I got in again when I put the signal out to sell at 2,400. So I do have some trades floating right now, but man, all I can see now is market coming down It took these guys, took this one. This is an obvious wick sitting right here. There's certain things I like to look for on smart money when I'm doing smart money concepts. It's obvious wicks, double bottoms, double tops, triple bottoms, triple tops. Those things catch my eyes. I like to look left, figure out where the wicks are, obvious wicks. Look at these obvious little wicks. Here's some gaps, right? The purple boxes are always gaps. Gaps, gaps. You know what I'm saying? I can mark up more gaps. Like there's a gap right here. I just didn't mark it. You can be, precise on your gaps. I like to mark up as many gaps that's like obvious gaps. You know what I'm saying? Even the non-obvious ones you can mark up, but I like to mark up the ones that's going to be like a point of interest areas or targets, real targets. You know what I'm saying? A 1 minute gap can get filled easy. You know how long it takes for a 1 hour gap to get filled or a daily gap to get filled? Right. So I mark the gaps and then I'll look. The reason they're so small, if you see that we're on an hourly time frame, for instance, and let's just look here. I just want to reiterate on something real quick. Now, do you see this candle here going up and then this candle going up? There is no black candle play. It's all white candle play. Right? The next candle comes in and gives us white candle play. But okay, no black candle play, which means that there is a gap. That means that this market is insufficient. Means that this market needs to be filled. And it doesn't have an equilibrium right now. Okay. You see? No black candle, right? All right, well, I mark it, but as you can see, why didn't I mark it from here and mark this whole candle like I did this one up here? Well, that's because on a lower time frame, this area might be sufficient. It's not showing it on the 1 hour, but on the lower time frame, it might be sufficient. And I narrowed it down to where it isn't sufficient. That's what it is on a lower time frame. Maybe it was a 15-minute. When I'll drop down to like 30-minute, 15-minute, maybe this is even a 5-minute gap. But I lowered it down to be more precise on what area the gap really sits on lower time frame. That's what that is. Okay? Just in case you didn't know. All right. Guys, we have been... Man, I'm surprised. I want to thank everybody this year that's been following along with me, being on my stream with me, trading with me, trusting in me, all of that. You feel me? It has been an adventure, ups and downs. I appreciate all of it because guess what? It all makes you a better person, a better you. You feel me? And don't ever let nobody tell you can't accomplish your dreams because you can. Right? They just haters. And they don't got no movement, right? They don't got no motion. But I know if you're here because you understand that you want more and that you can get it. They just got you in a system and tried to teach you some dumb shit and you want to change that. And you understand the power of trading. Feel me? So, and I respect that. Right? I understand you. Because you're here doing this with me. Right? You understand me. So, keep trading, keep going, don't stop. Don't let nobody tell you that, it's not possible. It is. All right, there is a lot of scammy people out here that does the trading, which is a good, good way to scam folks, If you really wanted to, you could scam people off of trading. But, karma's a bitch, right? That shit gonna come back on you. So it's just best to be 100. And it's just hard to find 100 people around here these days. So, but if you stay, my thing was to continue to stay in the game and teach myself and learn from every mistake that I make, so that no matter what, I ain't got to listen to nobody. I don't got to go watch nobody else's stream. Right? Now, I do stay up to date on my training. Like, I'm always a student. I don't think I know everything. I think there's so much more that I can learn from trading. So much more that I can learn about Forex. So much more I can learn about stocks, period, in general, futures, options. So much more I can learn, guys. But I mastered Forex. You know, I mastered it. So, and I'm going to keep trying to mastering it. I'm going to keep mastering it because I have mastered it. Look, you can't get positions like this and call it on live if you don't have some type of edge and like you ain't mastered it in some kind of way. You feel me? Like, it's not me over here copying anybody else's trades or anything like that, or watching the stream in the background. No, I'm chilling, watching. I mean, I wish y'all could see me, but I'm actually breaking down everything, getting ready to move to Atlanta. I don't want to do the video thing just yet until I get to Atlanta and get the new setup, get my setup set up there. Then I'll do the video, you know, I'll put my camera on so y'all can see me. Feel me? Because I want to do, you know, some more stuff with y'all. And I want y'all to see my face, right? So, but yeah, anyways, guys, you know, we're gonna start this month off right. All right, we're gonna be a good week. Okay, listen, we don't win all the time. Look below. The record on the stream 54, and 15 losses. And I ain't gonna lie, guys, that's pretty damn good. I'll follow anybody that got that many damn wins and only 15 losses. And the thing is, you know, that just tells me, even with the 15 losses, I'm my biggest critic. So I'm going to say, like, yo, that's too many. You feel me? That's 15. To me, that was like 15 mistakes. You know? So what I want to do is just perfect that. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to keep on going. I'm going to keep on streaming. I'm going to keep on trading and just get better and better and better. Okay? So I'm actually looking at this area here too, because they're rejecting off of this area here. But this is like a completion of this wave here, right? Coming down to this area. So they can get a little bounce when they got here. There's a slight gap right here. Let's look at it. Is it a gap right here? No, it's not a gap. It's closed, so they just reaching. Yeah, they're just reaching down to this candle right here. This sell candle, which was I call this like a trap money candle. So this candle here is the last candle before the up move. This candle. This whole candle. Most of the bulk of the orders are in the body, but there's still orders in the wick too, guys. So go ahead and mark that whole bad boy up. You feel me? And then look. This is the reason for the reaction that it's given right now. All right. So make sure, guys, that y'all are in the Telegram group. So that way that you can get the signals early. I can't stress that enough, because I'm not going to always be able to give you a signal on stream, because we are already sitting in a signal, from the Telegram group. So make sure you join the Telegram group. Okay, make sure you share the Telegram group with some other traders that's trying to learn how to trade, and they're looking for, a way to earn money while they're learning, right? Earn while you learn. I'm here to help you out with that. If you got any problems, you got any questions, I'm open to answering questions. You can definitely come ask me anything. Okay, I'm an open book. I don't hold anything back. I'm pretty sure what I'm probably going to tell you, you're going to have to pay for, and I'm not charging. So, I feel grateful. I feel blessed to be even able to read this. So, and I just know that we live in an abundant world, because, we have a lot of things that's showing us that we do live in an abundant world right in front of our faces, right? And then this just puts you like icing on the cake right here in Forex or trading futures, any of that. I talked to my partner the other day, and she was telling me that, she was like, man, she been killing it in the futures market. And I'm like, well, I ain't jumped in that market yet. She was like, man, I know. She's like, you killed Forex, man. I know you gonna murder it over here, especially if she was like, if I'm doing it, I know damn well you could do it. And I'm just like, okay. I mean, I could jump into it. I'm gonna probably end up tapping in and see what's up over there, man. For real. I ain't even gonna lie, I probably will. But that's another, stream, another vlog or whatever. I'll probably run that down on y'all. I'm going to Best Buy to go get another computer in Atlanta, and I'm also going to get a GoPro, so this way I can vlog more and I can, show y'all more of my life and my journey. Other than that, guys, this is pretty much all I have for you. I'm not going to keep you long on stream, like I said before. And I'll say it again. I do not like to be on stream all day long. I like to get in, get my money, and get out. You feel me? So that's what this was all about. But today was more, say, about reiterating on what happened last week, right? Where we stood with the institutional candle that we marked up. Did we play off of it beautifully? Yes, we did, right? And then fell. You can't get no sharper of a shot up in that area. You feel me? You just can't. So the closer it got up there, the more I was starting to put order. I was starting to put lot sizes down for sales. And look. All right. So we are gonna, now that we're down here, I am looking for, let me just go to the 5 minute, see if it's there. Nope. A little bit, but she would have to give me some more candles to give me that idea of her wanting to come up more. I mean, they're giving me some signals. And it's just the 5 minute. Okay. So this is where we was at earlier today before stream. And then that was easy money, guys. All right. Let's see. And sometimes you'll find yourself just analyzing. Hey, analyze the hell out of this market. Whatever makes it where puts you in a good position where you can handle the fluctuations to get you your profits, your money. Analyze however long you need to. But just don't confuse yourself. Know what you're looking for. You see how I just narrowed it down? Because on the 15-minute or the 5-minute, this gap was big, but look, there was candles in that gap. I have to narrow it down now. So I narrow it down to this small gap here. Okay. So this market could come up here, right? Tap all up in this area before we come down to the downside. There is a gap sitting right here. Mm-hmm. And yeah, so know that market is going to go from one gap to the other. Now you see how they tapped into this this area here, which this is not a gap. This is actually a candle that was a last sell to buy candle, and I marked it. So those candles too, they play off of those candles too. Like there's so many things with smart money concept that you can keep in mind. This is a chess game, guys. You playing chess. This is one reason why my candles are black and white. Psychology behind the candles are black. The color is black and white, guys. Yeah, this market is looking good, looking good. And we are due for a white candle eventually. They can give us white candle will be good, push us up in price and then fall. The next candle will be black. So this is what I'm looking for. But there could be another next candle come in and it just be black and it just continue down. But if they give me a white candle, that'll, give me a little bit of more confirmation that we could be coming to the downside. Because they like to do that. Listen, when they're buying, they're selling. When they're selling, they're buying. Write that shit down. Because I don't think you quite understand me. I'm going to say it one more time. When they're buying, they're selling. When they're selling, they're buying. I hope you get that. Because that's one of my main ways that I trade. That was the main way that I trade. Right? I keep that in mind. When they're buying, they're selling. When they're selling, they're buying. When they're buying up, right, they're really selling. Look at this. Listen. That statement is so true. Look how big these candles are. We, as retail traders, cannot make candles like this. Only big institutions, some type of big entity came in and sold. Why? Collecting all these buys. Who did this? Who put these big candles here? Not us. Okay? So when they're buying, they're selling. You just got to learn. You just got to be able to catch it, guys. This is something that you're going to have to learn how to catch. Okay? With your own eyes. It's different when I do it. Okay? When you see yourself do it, it's something else that's so amazing. Right? Like literally this type of information, I ain't even going to lie to you. This 1,000 pip move and understanding smart money concepts, understanding to look left to figure out an institutional level and take a shot off of that. sniper shot, guys, I could charge big money for what I know, but I don't. Because I feel like my blessings are going to come to me regardless, right? Each one teach one. So anything that you hear on my stream, make sure you go back and you teach somebody else. All right? Anything, any type of nuggets that I'm handing out, go hand it to somebody else. Somebody else might want to know that. Don't be stingy. We live in an abundant world, guys. There's more money. They print money. They make money. So, yeah, guys, no need to be stingy. All right? No need for all that. No need to go pay a bunch of money for mentorship. You can just come to the YouTube channel and learn smart money concepts with me for the free ski. So, it has slowed down some since we've been in this area. They've been bounced off this area. Look, last sale before the push up move candle. How did I know they were gonna turn right here? Well, because Smart Money Concept says so. This is where they turn around at. Okay? It just makes sense. And then now you would basically just have to go down to the lower time frame and watch it there. Okay, guys? And see how she's reacting off of this area. All right? Look and look for your setup that you like to look for. For, I guess, if you wanted to buy off of this area. We have been moving down for a very long time now. Not long time, but we've been moving down, guys. Doesn't mean that we're done moving down either. We could still be moving down. Okay? We just tapped this area, and it's just a candle buy to sell. This is a sell to buy candle. We just tapped it. Don't mean that we can't bust through it. We can. Because if we look right, look left, look right. If we look left, you'll see that there's more stuff happening on the left side. Let me see. All right, here, boom. Right here in this area. See this gap? This gap right there. Okay, there's a gap sitting right here. I marked this area, and it's showing me a gap on the 15-minute. Too easy. But I'm also keeping in mind that we have an obvious wick sitting here. And we got these triple bottoms right here. This little 3 wicks sitting here too. This is all money sitting right here. Right? Eventually, they'll come get it. Eventually, just gotta have some patience. They did not fill this area, this area here, but they did run back into that last candle. Sometimes all they need is a tap into that candle. I was seeing that we were due for a white candle due to all these black candles. We due for a white, but it was still, if anything, we would still be black on the downside. We're still bullish. Not bullish. We're still bearish because of, the momentum to the downside, guys. And higher time frame too, right? And then where do we're trending down, right? This is nice. They came back and filled up in this area. They did it real nicely, right? Pushed up into it, closed it, came down, retest, fall. Right? That's That's easy. That's what we always looking for, guys. It was an easy call. The easiest call that I could have made real quick on stream was that one. Right? And this one here. And this one and this one. The one we were just in. All right. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all no more, okay? I did a little breakdown with y'all. That's all I really wanted to do. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow we're gonna have something different. Okay. All right. Make sure you're in the Telegram group. Link is in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Set that notification bell. So this way when I do go live, you get notified. All right? Because sometimes 8 o'clock come by real quick and it might be 8:01. You know what I'm saying? Or 2. Just depends on how quick I get my computer up. Right? But other than that, guys, thank you for coming to my stream. Okay, really, y'all the real MVPs, for real, for being here, showing up. Told you if you show up, then, you know, you're going to learn something here, straight up. Every day you should be learning something. You should have your notebooks out. If you don't, I don't know why you're here. Right? I got my notebook. Look. Right here. Okay? I got my notebook. All right? If I got mine, you should have yours. Because I might say something that like, oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot about that. It just comes. And I'll write that thing down. You feel me? So, but yeah, guys, that's all I got for y'all today. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna analyze the charts a lot more later on today. Just not right now. I just want to let it do whatever it's going to do. I'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Remember, I'm always here. 8 a.m. Eastern time. Okay? But I am available all day. So if you want, contact me on YouTube or Instagram at Mo Diesel. Okay? Either way. I appreciate every last one of y'all for coming to my stream. And I hope to see that we grow together. Okay? All right, well, that's all I really got for y'all today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Do something productive. Go back and play a couple of my videos and see what's up. How did we lead up into this point? Right? You got to go watch the other videos. I go live every day, guys. Okay? So other than that, guys, I'm going to holler at y'all tomorrow. All right. One love. Peace. Mo Diesel out.